back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika. Today I am here to do a very quick review on the new Nudestix Nudies Mini 3-piece set. If you'd like to see how beautiful these products apply, how easy they are to travel with, definitely stick around with me. This is the color Sweet Peach. This is how Sweet Peach swatch is. And this is how it looks on the lip. And you get this much product in here. It's perfect for traveling, easy to fit in any small purse. Just beautiful, neutral color. This is the color Sunkissed. And this is how Sunkissed is looking on the lips. Really beautiful orange color. I'm gonna swatch it. Just to show you how the swatch is. This is the color Sunkissed. How the swatch is. And this is the color Hey Honey. And this is Hey Honey, a really beautiful gold. This is the color Hey Honey. Now this one can be used as a highlighter or a lipstick. So and this is the shade Hey Honey on the lips. As you can see, everything applied beautiful, everything swatched just lovely. This is an absolutely good purchase in my opinion. For $25 you get the 3 different colors you can use for blush, nude lip, or highlighter. So this is a 3-in-1. I would also use this as an eyeshadow. If I had this on vacation alone, I would also use it, like I said, as an eyeshadow. So in my opinion, this is an absolutely good purchase. It went on smoothly. It's really soft and natural, just as the original. This is just a mini set where, like I said, you get 3 different shades in here. And it is perfect for traveling, perfect for everyday use, that you can put in any purse and it will absolutely fit, as this is the size of the box. The box fits in my hand. You're good with these to go anywhere. I will recommend these to anyone who loves beautiful products that's easy to travel with. If there's something that you would like to know about this product that I did not mention, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to answer your questions. I hope this video was helpful to someone, and if you are new to my channel, definitely click on my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Oh. Oh, fuck. You see this shit broke? My shit broke. Oh my god. I'm taking this back for sure. Like right now today. It's unacceptable. It's broken.